Hey guys, it's me Elena. And before you ask, no, I didn't win another Volkswagen of doll. The person who won her kindly allowed me to unbox her for you. So I'm excited to open this Yokohama November 1 of girl tire. The box is similar to what we saw before with other dolls. The lid is of a white color with golden flower pattern all around it. In the middle is the Super Dolphin logo in a beautiful golden frame. The box itself is golden. There are no other stickers on the box. First we can see on the top is a doll's wig. It's long straight hair of a golden color. It has bangs and some longer locks on the sides. What I like about this wig is these little pigtails. They are tightened with usual Volks beige threads, which won't crumble over time like strings. The parting has a little silicone part so it looks more realistic. The wig cap is light beige. Lately, I really like when dolls have some hair accessories in addition to their dress. And Taya got one too. The base of the headdress is white and on edges it has very beautiful white laces with little pink flowers made out of ribbons. In the middle they have little pearl beads. On one of the sides an additional gathered pink ribbon is attached. On the sides it has big pink roses which are firm to the touch. Underneath them are bows made out of laces with long tails which surround the doll's face. This hairdress can be fixed on the doll's head with long pink ribbons. This is how it looks like on the side close to the head. I have a weak spot for sleepy dolls, so I'm legitimately jealous of this tire. Face-up artist Haru did a great job and in my opinion caught the doll's gentle facial features. She has a natural face-up with some painted extra top lashes, white accents on the lid and lashes. From the right angle her eyes are also visible. I used my phone flashlight to see her beautiful golden colored glass eyes. Her dark eyelashes are mixed with white ones, creating a very wintry look. I'm all for this latest trend of colorful painted eyelashes. Her eyebrows are painted very lightly with a relaxed feeling. Taya's headplate says that she is made in Japan and a one-off model, same as I had with my Masha. Inside the head, as all one-off dolls, has a face-upper signature. Eyes are glued with hot glue. The skin color of the doll is flesh. Let's move to her gorgeous white dress. I can't wait to look at all the details of it. The collar has the same lace we saw on the headdress with little pink flowers. There is also an additional layer of gathered white fabric with the same lace on the edge. Front part is decorated with pink sheer lace which is tightened in a bow. The row of grommets place another flowery lace. Every flower also has a little pink bead in the middle. There are also very pretty embroidered row decorations underneath. The sleeves are long and puffed. They have the same embroidery decorations, flower laces and usual laces. They have a string on the wrist area and flared cuffs with even more laces. The skirt part is knee length and decorated with the same flower laces, embroidery and rows of pin tucks. The edge of the skirt has 2 layers of frills. Overall, this dress gives me marshmallow and hot chocolate feeling. How about you? The dress fastens from behind with 3 metallic snaps. The lining is white and made out of a bit of a hard and rustling fabric. Just listen to it. The pannier is made of a hard mesh and has a string on the waist area. I love the laces attached to the edge of it. They have embroidery which looks like a flower bouquet. On top of them is another type of lace with embroidered bows on it. Those bloomers are made of a white fabric with a string on the waist area. In the middle is a little white bow with a bead. Leg openings have strings as well and have laces on edges. Tie stockings are made of a fine white mesh. On top they have very pretty white laces. The shoes are also white and have ballet-like shoe ribbons. The ribbons are tightened with a bow on the back. The shoes are made of a fabric which shines very pretty from different angles. They have a little heel suitable for the SD13 flat-fit body this doll is having. The sole is white. I think these shoes are made by Volks, so maybe you can even find them on sale. To support my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment about your doll wishlist for the next year. As for me, I'm dreaming to one day add TIE twins to my collection as well. Who knows, if not twins, maybe at least one will join my collection next year. In the box there is a familiar to many white envelope. It has a Volks Yokohama store stamp as this doll was displayed there. In the white envelope is a doll's certificate. It contains all valuable information about the doll, like the makeup artist name, which is Haru, dress seamstress name, which is Mama House. You can check out her Twitter account. There is also a paper with information about one of dolls and after services you can receive for them. The set of the documents is pretty standard as we saw it in our previous unboxings. Here's guidebook in both Japanese and English languages, maintenance services booklet, little information for newcomers into the Super Dollfie world with list of the Volks stores all over Japan, and a form to apply for after-sales services. Talking a bit about the history of the doll, first versions of these heads are called Anais and Anais 2. Tai was a special version of Anais created for the LA store opening event. There were two versions of Tai with Open Eyes and Sweet Dreams version. Both of them were Miko, the shrine maiden's young priestess who works at a Shinto shrine. There is something special and unusual which makes me think about her. What do you think about Tai or Anais? Love dolls and Kong Kong.